Hey there everyone, welcome back to Editing 24/7. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to change outfit in Canva. Uh, Without any further ado, let's dive right in. So this is the image of the kids. This is the random image that I picked up from the internet. So let's say we're gonna change this kid's outfit. So in order to do that, you can simply tap into the image itself. Let's go to the edit option. And here you can see this is just the address. You can simply not here you can simply go to the Magic Studio, and here is the option of Magic Edit. So unfortunately we do not have the pro version, but I'm hoping you have the pro version, since you need a pro version for that. But don't worry, this process is simple and the same. This is exactly how you're gonna change outfit. You can simply go to the Magic Edit and tap in here. I do not have the pro version, so it's asking me to claim one, but um since you have one, you can simply tap in here and change the outfit just as you'd like. And yeah, that is how you change the outfit in Canva. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.